Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the battery, loosen the 9 captive screws on the base cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and loosen the 5 screws. Lift the battery out of the system and flip it over. Disconnect the cables. To reinstall the battery, reconnect the cables. Flip the battery over and place it back in the system. Tighten the 5 screws to secure it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.